Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, this is going to be me unboxing the hair, the Glitter Planet advent calendar. Now I've had this for a couple of weeks now. Today, are we the 7th or the 8th? 8th I think. It's a Thursday. I haven't been well at all for a while now. And today I've started to feel a little bit better. So I thought I would come on and share this video with you. Now, I was going to originally do this video opening this, excuse me, opening this day by day, but like I say, I think we're the 8th today, so I'm just going to open it all, I think. Shall I open it all? Yeah, I'll open it all. So, this was, I believe, £36, and you get glitter as well as nail art. So, I'll just have to use that. I was looking for my tweezers, couldn't find it. So let's go. Number 1. Oh, they come in pots. I was expecting them to come in. Shall I bring it down a bit? I was expecting it to come in bags. So this one is Daydreamer. Oh, from the lid it looked like it was going to be lilac and green, but that's pretty. So there's green, there's lime, not lime, mint and white. Little hexagons in there. That's quite cute, isn't it? I love the little pot. Number 2, can you see? Yeah. So we have, oh, this is a pigment, True Rose. Oh, I do need my tweezers, don't I? No, I'll just use my teeth. Oh, that is really pretty. Okay, on camera that's looking darker, but it's a beautiful rose colour. Let's see if I can, oh god, it's everywhere. That is really pretty. I like that. Oh god. Okay. Number 3. Oh. We have gold frames. Oh my god. Gold frames and shapes. Should look like that. Okay, number 4, just down here. Oh, we have a glitter, Lucky Charm. It's a holographic. I think I can only see two different sized hexagons. Pretty. I like these little pots, and I like that they're clear as well, because you know you can get some that have like the red, I mean not red, the pink or the white lids. So yeah, that's nice. Okay, number 5 down here. Ooh. Oh, it doesn't have a name on it. So we got some. Got some crystals. There's one that's dropped in there. God. So they're super sparkly. Right, don't know where that went. So yeah, there's those crystals, pretty. Okay, that's where I got confused. Okay, so now we are on number 6, which is here. Ooh. I have a glitter cosmic star. Oh, wow, that is really pretty. Oh, it's got them rhombus, like iridescent rhombus, and the iridescent 4-prong stars. That's really pretty. I like that one. Number 7. We have a neon pigment, which is in violet. To me, that is not violet, that is neon pink. I won't open it up because it's going to be bloody messy. Number 8. Where is number 8? Here. Crystal hearts. Ooh. They are very pretty, and they've got a curved back as well, so that will sit on the nail nicely. They are very, very pretty. Nine next door. Oop, another glitter. We have mermaid tail. That is nice. It's got fine glitter in there as well. Lovely. Number 10, number 10, number 10 in this corner. We have dried flowers. It's not very Christmassy, is it? I've got bloody loads of these. So yeah, number 10. 11. Oh, SS16 point back crystals. Oh, they're lovely. Very, very sparkly. What was that, 11? Okay, 12. Foil blue. I really need some What's this? Wow. That is beautiful. Oh. Love that. What was that? 11, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, so number 13 now here. We have blueberry poison. Oh, that's very pretty. Again, that's a multi-mix. I don't know where I'm going to put these bloody pots, you know. 14. We have Princess Tiara. Oh, these are gorgeous. Oh, look at those. How pretty are those? Love them. Okay, 15. 15 is down here. This one has no name. No, it's not fallen off. Wow, it's like a gold, and that cerise pink. There's even purple in there. Wow, pretty. 16, yeah. Silver chain. Exactly what it says. It's a silver chain. Okay. It's not very Christmassy, is it? I think the only one that's really Christmassy is this Lucky Charm one. Okay, 17. Glamorous. Okay, there is a white and like a rose gold mixed. And there's also some iridescent hexagons in there as well. That was 17, wasn't it? Yeah. 18. We have Under the Sea. Oh, that's nice. I really like that one. Let's try and get it out of focus. There. Very pretty. I like that one a lot. 19. Yeah. Rose blush. Another fine. 20. Oh, this is pretty. Mermaid Dreams. Really like that one. Lovely, lovely. 21. We have Fairy Flakes Rosetta. Mylar. I absolutely love this stuff so much. Stunning. That one is my favourite. Gorgeous. Okay, 22. We have Fool's Gold. Pretty. 23. We have Vegas Strip. That looks like a mixture of everything. What the hell is that? I don't know. It's a weird shape, isn't it? There's a bit of everything in there. And then last one is number 24, which is what's this stuff called? It's like a holographic silver tinsely kind of thing. Let me bring it back out if I can. And we'll do this, there we go. So they are the 24 glitters and nail art that I got from Glitter Planet. My honest opinion, I'm not wowed, to be quite honest with you. Not very Christmassy. I mean, is it worth £36? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Because these, even though they're 5-gram pots, you get way less glitter in these. Yeah, because I've bagged up some pots of glitter and I've still had a lot left over. So, I mean, the crystals are beautiful. That foil, the blue foil, is really pretty. There's a few glitters in there that are pretty. These, the crystal gemmy kind of thingies, like the tiara. Yeah, but I don't think I'd buy this next year. Yeah. Anyway, what do you guys think? Let me know down below. Which one is your favourite? Would you spend 36 quid on this? Do I sound really ungrateful? Not really, because it wasn't gifted to me. I paid for it, so... And even if it was gifted, I would give my honest opinion anyway. So yeah, I wasn't wowed at all by this advent calendar. So yeah, and this being number 24, I was expecting, I don't know, something more. Oh my god, wow, isn't that beautiful? But anyway, I'm off. Thank you all so much for watching. Take great care of yourselves, and you'll see me in my next one. Bye for now.